Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining another edition of Hyper University. My name is Susie, and today's training will be boostmobiljobs.com. As a reminder, we host Hyper University trainings every Wednesday at 11 a.m., and we offer a different curriculum every week. Our trainings generally take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and we'll email you a copy of the reviewed content to all attendees following each session. We also encourage our retailers to recommend any curriculum you'd like to see in the future. We're always open to ideas and will implement accordingly. So please let us know by emailing Jose at hyperlinkusa.com. I would now like to introduce our trainer, Jose, who will begin the session. Take it away, Jose.
Hello, everyone. This is Jose. Thank you, Susie. And today I will be guiding you on using boostmobiljobs.com. Why this training? You can take advantage of this free tool offered by Boost Mobile only to boost exclusive retailers in an effort to assist in helping staff all stores quickly and efficiently by choosing from a large pool of candidates. With the boostmobiljobs.com site, you're able to submit job postings and manage your applications all in one place. The first thing we're going to go through is the login. So the first step of going to boostmobiljobs.com is clicking login. Your username is going to be your dealer ID, also known as your DP ID. If you do not know your dealer ID, you can always contact your Boost sales manager and they'll be happy to provide it for you. The password is going to be the one you can see on the screen, the BOO T-Mobile, which is Boost Mobile. That's going to be the password for the first time you log in if you haven't done it before. Once you log in for the first time, you can change the password and make it your own. Let's move on. Let's go to the Boost Mobile job sites and go through it. This is the homepage of the Boost Mobile job site once you log in. As you can see on the main screen, this is where an applicant would be searching for a job, and they can search by the job title and by the location where they are looking for a specific job. Or they can just put their location and they'll get on the results everything that's close enough. Now, the first thing we're going to go is to the employers part, and this is where all of the dealers go and manage your account. Once you log in for the first time, the first place you want to go is to My Profile. On the left toolbar, you're going to go under Account to My Profile. Once you're in your profile, you just make sure all of your information is correct, your name, your store name, your email, and then you can update the password from the standard one everybody has and make it your own. Just please remember to make a memorable password. You're not going to forget. Once you have updated your profile, we can go back to the employers part by again clicking on the top toolbar where it says employers. This is the main employers dashboard where you'll be able to see all of your jobs. And the first thing we're going to do is going to go through how to submit a job by clicking on the left toolbar where it says submit job. Once you click here, you're just going to fill out all of the details, starting with the job title. Let's do sales representative as an example. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add the address of your store. For this example, I'm going to add our address here at Hyperlink where we're going to post the job for. Next, you can select the job type you are publishing. It's either based on commission, it's full-time, part-time, or seasonal. Let's pick full-time. The next thing you're going to see is the benefits, which is an optional field. You don't necessarily have to explain that on the job posting. The next step is the description. Now, as you can see on the left toolbar under the Submit Job option, there is a job description template. If you click here, it'll open up a new tab, which is this one, where you'll be able to find a list of approved job descriptions for you to reference when you create your posting. So you can just simply click on it. Let's say we're going to do sales rep job description, right? You can simply click on it and it'll download a Word document to your computer. You can just open up, copy, and paste it on your screen. Also edited all the information. It comes with the salary, the position summary, the role and responsibilities, and what the ideal candidate must possess, as well as benefits. Of course, you can just use this as a guide for when you write your description. You don't have to necessarily just copy and paste it. Once you're done with that, we can close this descriptions part and go back to the job posting. Once you are done editing your description, you just simply paste it over here, and that's going to be the body of your application. The next thing is the pay frequency. This is also an optional field. You don't necessarily have to specify what the payment frequency is. Next, just make sure that your email address is the correct one. It's always going to auto-populate from the one on your account. You can always add another email address, or you can always change it if you want the applications to go to someone else in your store. At the bottom, you'll see the company details, which are already in your account. You'll see, and you can also add the logo if you have a logo for your store, or the Boost Mobile logo as you prefer. You just go over everything, make sure we filled out everything, and then I'm going to click on preview. On this preview, I'll be able to see all of, this is the description, the pay frequency I chose, and all of the details. Once I make sure this is all correct, you can simply click on submit listing, and it'll be automatically published for anyone to find it and apply to your job. So I'm going to go ahead and click. And it is as easy as that. The job listed was successful. Now, in order to manage the jobs you have posted and see if people have applied, you on the left toolbar, you can click on where it says Manage Jobs. On this dashboard, which is the main dashboard in the employers part of the site, you'll be able to see the different postings you've done. This is the job posting we just did. This is a previous one I already had here. Over here, this is where I see how many people have applied. In this case, which is a job I had created before as an example, we already have a couple of applicants. Let's see, let's check this one out now, the Gerardo. And then all we have to do is, as you can see, here is the resume they submitted and the email. You can click on where it says details, and you'll be able to see the details they provided for the application. These are standard questions that every applications have. So when an applicant fills out your job posting, they are going to fill this out. Once you're done reviewing, you can just click on edit, and it'll give you these two options. You can edit the application status from new to interviewed, offer extended, hired, rejected, or archived. This is for once you review the application and you want to make sure and you want to identify it, you can just change the status over here if you have already interviewed the candidate, or if you decided to hire them, or if you rejected them. And then you can also do a system of rating out of 5. So you can put, if you really like them, it's a 5 out of 5, as an example. And then you click on Save Changes. On the left toolbar, you can click on where it says Manage Jobs. I'm going to go ahead and click on the job we just posted. As you can see, it gives you all of the details of the job. And if you scroll down, you will find you are able to share with whomever you want via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp. So it's very good to click on this and just share the link for your job posting. And that way you can share the application for people to apply. Now, once we go back to the Manage Jobs part, and we have your applications, and you have already fulfilled a job posting, you can simply click on Mark Filled. That way, the posting won't be public anymore, and you will not get more applications. Once it's marked filled, you have filled your position successfully. And that is as easy as it is to submit a job and to review your applications. The other part I can show you is that over here on the top toolbar, there is a Spanish option in case you want to make this page website in Spanish, if you prefer it that way. And then over here where it's your profile, this is where you log out. And on the bottom right, you'll find the support button in case you need any assistance while using the site. You can just fill in this and you will get assistance from the support team. And this is as easy as it is to use the Boost Mobile Jobs site. With this site, you'll be able to fill in all your positions right away. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jose, and thank you everyone for investing in yourself and your business by attending our weekly Hyper University trainings. We appreciate all that you do and we're happy to be able to contribute to your success. Once again, if you have any training requests, always feel free to email Jose at hyperlinkusa.com. Thank you again for joining and stay safe, everyone.